I have a lot of new girlfriends on here, so I'm gonna do a little like get to know me video because I have a lot of lore for a 19-year-old. Mallory Lee Workman. I'm from Texas, born and raised. I've been doing makeup since I was like 7 years old, and when I was 17, I graduated high school a year early. I always knew college wasn't for me, so I researched and found a makeup school strictly. I knew I didn't want to do cosmetology or hair or anything like that. I did like a beauty course, body painting, which was an era, let me tell you. Definitely not my niche of makeup, but made me a lot better of an artist. Looking back, to do that at 17 was fucking crazy, but I had a roommate who I'm no longer friends with now. RIP. I was pretty much depressed and miserable that whole time. I'm definitely a family girl and I moved back as soon as I could. Now I live in Fort Worth, Dallas area, and I really freaking love it. I eventually want to move to Florida or somewhere with like a beach and nature because we're really lacking that over here. I model a lot in my free time. If you want to go see any of that, it's like all posted on my Instagram. That's actually a lot of what I've been doing, so that's kind of why I stopped posting on here for a bit, but I realized I abandoned my small niche community that I'm very thankful for. My biggest dream with that is to do a skins campaign or something with Victoria's Secret. I know that seems far-fetched, but Trisha Paytas taught me you can really manifest anything, so be delusional, queens. Only 5'2" though, so I haven't been able to get signed. The modeling industry is very height discriminatory. Is that correct? I'm not gonna let these motherfuckers stop me. I'll eventually make it some way, somehow. I don't know how, but I'm gonna find a way because I'm a psycho. But in the meantime, I'll stick to doing makeup because that seems to be working out for me at least. I put the shimmer on. It honestly kind of sucks. Huda. Maybe it's just this brush I'm using. Pull out my trusty old Space Cowboy because it actually works. Is anything gonna work? Oh yeah, it's not a me problem. It usually is, honestly. That's what I'm talking about, babe. I got these Q-tips from H-E-B last night and they came with like a bunch of different kinds. I don't know. I'm really fucking with it though. This is like really fun. A lot of bridal makeup mainly. I really love it. I actually had my last one today. I had 3 this weekend. That's why my hair is in this boof ass braid. It wasn't happening today. But like, it's kind of giving Katniss. I want to be here for Halloween, I think. Halloween's my favorite holiday, and I love horror movies and freaky, scary, weird stuff. I love these little lash clusters so much. They really like complete every look. Well, it's supposed to look easy, but I flop too sometimes. I'm gonna make a storefront tonight because now I actually have 100K of you almost. It's a real influencer. Makeup Forever skin tint is probably my favorite skin tint I've ever used. It's just perfect. I had steak for dinner, which was so fucking good. See, my stomach hurts and I don't know why. I'm a stomach issue girl, so this is a bit concerning. Makeup a little bit lighter since you all like to put your input that you think I should be more natural. Which I would just like to say once and for all that I don't care what you think. I'm gonna do what I wanna do. I wanna look like what I wanna look like. You should do the same. I know it's meant as a compliment, but honestly, I just find it annoying. I do this for fun. I've always have, and I'm not doing it because I'm insecure or anything, so that narrative is really stupid. I forgot how pigmented these Mario blushes were, so I'm gonna be blending for 5 hours. I only ever set my under eyes like this when I don't have to be out for a long time because it just creases immediately. I don't know how people get away with like not puffing it in. Have to set my T-zone. Like, I just don't like to be shiny. Fake like I just got tan outside because curl is really pale for me right now. I'm trying to think of more things about myself, but I'm low-key boring. Oh, I have 2 cats, 2 Siamese twins like Lady and the Tramp. The boy is Spaz and the girl is Little Miss, and their names are exactly fitting for their personalities. Always makes people laugh when I say their names, but I love it. I'm a weirdo. This makeup is gorge. It's just not gonna last more than 2 hours, which is kind of another reason I like full beat, making up any excuse that I can like hate back on you guys. I'm an Aries, so I'm feisty. I can't help it. I think I'm like 60% fire or something like that, so it shows in my personality. I used to never do bottom eyeshadow, but now I feel naked without it. Like, it adds so much without doing too much. Makeup Forever lip liners are top tier. They're so creamy and they do really last a long time. Shades Anywhere Caffeine, which is this one, and Wherever Walnut are the best ever. You need to try at least one of them. And a little NYX lip gloss to give it some like pinky tone back in there. Using the Mario setting spray, it doesn't really change the finish of your makeup too much. Sometimes I feel like, is this really setting anything? But it actually does. It's made a difference. This look is very soft, but still sultry, I feel like, because of the lashes. Lashes really are doing some heavy work over here, like, thank God. Well, that's me, and if you found me from my last video, please stick around. I'm kind of a good time. Bye, bitches.